Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Robinhood application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device. Then tap on the search box and simply type in Robinhood and start your search. Once you find the Robinhood application, go ahead and tap on the install button, and this will begin the download and installation of the Robinhood application on your smartphone. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and then when you see the open button, you can tap on it to open up the Robinhood application. And now, after opening up the application, you can sign up to your new account or sign in to your existing one to start using Robinhood investment app right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to install the Robinhood application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.